Okay, Carmen, what would you like to work on?
I would like to work on the fear of success.
Okay, and when you think about your fear of success, what emotion does it make you feel?
Some paralysis, almost like a total freeze as soon as we started talking about it, frozen and fear. Yeah.
Hmm, okay.
Anxious.
Feeling frozen on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the most intense, where would you rate that?
9 or 10. I can almost not even feel any life force as soon as we started talking about it, like complete freeze, like a statue.
Where's the tension in your body?
My head, forehead, um, temples, and I feel a big lump in my throat and a
Hmm,
bit nauseous.
okay. So, Carmen, I would like you to allow yourself to feel that paralysis, feel frozen, feel fear, all right? Give yourself the permission to feel that fully and drop your awareness into the middle of that tension and just stay there. If that tension moves, I want you to follow it with your awareness, but I just be in that space, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let's put you in a ball of light, myself in a ball of light, your family, anyone who's abused you, misused you, mistreated you, sabotaged you, betrayed you. We're going to put them in a ball of light, you in a ball of light, myself in a ball of light. We're going to clear some karma. Okay. Let's delete from you lifetimes when you've had connections or involvements or affiliations with any mafia, mobs, gangs, cults, secret societies, or uh, organized religions. Okay, let's clear all of that down to zero, minus infinity to the power of minus infinity and beyond. And we're clearing from your systems, chakras, organs, meridians, subtle bodies, mind, body, spirit, soul, conscious, subconscious, unconscious. And we strengthen your mind, body, spirit, soul, and conscious, subconscious, unconscious to release and let go of those memories and the negative accumulative effects of them. Okay. Let's delete lifetimes of being wealthy and isolated, being wealthy and persecuted, being wealthy and being targeted, and being wealthy and being very paranoid. Okay? 10, 100,000, 10, 102, down to zero. Let's clear from you any curses, hexes, spells in your lineage in this lifetime, but also other lifetimes to do with success. Yeah? 10, 100,000, 10, 100 millions, 1, 2, always clear that down to zero. So any curses, hexes, and spells from your mother, 10, 100,000s, 1, 2. Mother side going back 10, hundreds, 1, 200 generations, deep cut, cancel, pull, remove theirs from you. Any curses, hexes, and spells from the father, 10, 100,000, 10, hundreds, 1, 2, 3, down to zero. Father side going back 10, hundreds, 1, 2, 3, down to zero. And then from your ancestors, lineage from other lifetimes, 10, 100,000, 10, hundreds, 1, 2, down to zero. Okay. All right. Let's clear from you lifetimes when you thought or you felt or you believed that you were bad with money or numbers or math, or maybe your family were bad with money, numbers, math. Okay, let's clear that. And let's also clear from you lifetimes when you had to settle or sacrifice. Down to zero. It's clear from you lifetimes when you had to work in your old age, lifetimes when you were not able to retire, lifetimes when you witnessed family members having to work in their old age, lifetimes when you witnessed family members not being able to retire. Okay. So almost like working till your death or working till their death. So perceiving work as slavery. Yeah. Down to zero. Okay, let's clear any beliefs, programs, and systems that you're holding on to that say, I am unworthy, I am undeserving, I am worthless, I am not good enough, or any lifetimes when people have told you that. Yeah? 10, 100,000, 10, hundreds, 107, down to zero. And it's also clear from you lifetimes when you didn't feel like you didn't grow up in the right family or you didn't come from the right neighborhood, or lifetimes when people made you feel like you didn't come from the right family, you didn't grow up in the right neighborhood. Down to zero. Okay, let's clear from you lifetimes of not knowing the right people and not having the right connections. Down to zero. And it's also clear from you lifetimes of feeling like I have to make do with what I've got. And that's all there is for me. Okay. Down to zero. Okay, let's clear from you lifetimes when you didn't know who to trust and you didn't know who your friends were. And let's also clear from you any systems, beliefs, programs that carry the statement, I am not powerful, or I don't have the right personality. Right?
Mm.
Clear that. And let's also clear from you sayings that you have absorbed, like it's a dog eat dog world, it's a rat race, the world is full of sharks, blah blah blah. Okay, let's clear all of that. And let's clear jealousy, bitterness, resentment towards people who have what you want or live the way you want, and also jealousy, bitterness, resentment towards you from other people. Okay. There's also clear from you lifetimes being trapped and controlled in relationships for money. There's also clear from you lifetimes of dying on the way to work, dying on the way home from work, dying at work, or any work-related injuries. Down to zero, and this includes family members as well. It's clear from you lifetimes when a parent of yours had a secret family or other families, or lifetimes when you had a secret families, or second, third families. Down to zero. Okay. That's clear. Money will keep me from my parents or keep me from my family, and lifetimes when money did keep your parents from you or family members from you. Okay, that's clear. And we're always deleting the negative accumulative effects of these events, okay? Okay, let's clear lifetimes with nepotism, favoritism, caste system, hierarchies. Okay, down to zero. People will use me for money, and I have used others for money. Okay, clear negative effects of those lifetimes. Let's also clear lifetimes when you saw yourself as a failure, you saw your family as a failure, or you just saw life in general as a failure. Okay, let's also clear the fear of the world moving too fast, or I cannot keep up, or things are changing too much, right? Let's clear that. And let's also clear wealthy people are spoiled and disconnected from reality. Okay, let's clear any disgust that you have absorbed from conception to now into the future, not just your disgust, but other people's disgust, not not just from this lifetime, but also other lifetimes. Guilt, conception, our future, yours, everyone else's, this lifetime, other lifetimes. Longing, conception, our future, yours, everyone else's, this lifetime, other lifetimes. Terror, conception, our future, yours, everyone else's, this lifetime, other lifetimes. Grief, conception, our future, yours, everyone else's, this lifetime, other lifetimes. Insecurities, conception, our future, yours, everyone else's, this lifetime, other lifetimes. And let's clear the throat chakra, right? And anything that's stuck in the throat around being silenced, being shut down, shoving down thoughts, emotions, ideas, opinions. Okay. Yeah, we want to clear some fear there around being seen, and also lifetimes when family members were not very supportive of you, lifetimes when you felt like you had to keep your ideas as a secret or you couldn't talk about your abilities, lifetimes when you grew up in households that were very strict, they were very family members that were kind of like strict and cold and unsupportive, unloving, and very discouraging as well. Like they're showing me a lifetime of you talking about your ideas and your family kind of like shutting you down, like who do you think you are type thing. Uh, your head is in the clouds, and that's not reality. And you're not going to get very far thinking like that. So just yeah, just being constantly shut down and almost like stripped down. So there's like oppression and repression there, right? So we need to clear superconscious, go find those lifetimes and treat them all in perfect order with respect and do a massive change history in your system, chakras, organs, meridians, subtle bodies, mind, body, spirit, soul, conscious, subconscious, unconscious. Let's clear anything, any of your parents or families or friends or enemies or exes, traumas, karmas, limitations, obstacles, restrictions, lessons, healed, unhealed, resolved, unresolved, 10, 100,000, 10, hundred millions, 1, 2, down to zero. And also clear from you lifetimes when you were talented and your family or friends almost like ostracized you, right? For being talented. And these were lifetimes when you didn't seek for fame and fortune. It came to you because it was your destiny. Okay. So being punished, right, for being talented, being punished for being famous, uh, being punished for having gifts. Okay, let's clear all of that. Down to zero. Okay, one, two, three, four, five. Let's strengthen you to actualize and materialize in this lifetime. Strengthen you to attract money, strengthen your ability to attract what it is that you desire, whatever it is that's for your highest good. Strengthen you to be a boss, owner, CEO, entrepreneur, if you so wish. Strengthen you to, well, have confidence in yourself and have confidence in what you do, have confidence in your path. Strengthen you to be decisive, strengthen you to be educated and to keep seeking the education that will help you. Strengthen flexibility, strengthen you to be fulfilled in this lifetime. Strengthen grit, strengthen you for healthy habits, strengthen you for individuality, strengthen integrity, strengthen you to learn new things that bring value to your life and your work, strengthen you to make money doing what you're good at, strengthen motivation, strengthen perception of yourself, a new perception of yourself, strengthen you to respect yourself, strengthen you for success, strengthen you to be willing, and clear negative experience lifetimes of hiding or being hidden. Down to zero, 100% infinite potential, power, infinity, and beyond. Okay, Carmen, Can you
Mhm.
please rate the fear now?
Mhm. Maybe three or so. On
Okay,
three, I would say.
that's good.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's much more manageable, right?
Much more manageable. Thank you.
Good.